Welcome back to Car Fuse Tab. Here you'll find complete fuse box diagrams, relay locations, wiring diagrams, and troubleshooting guides for all types of vehicles. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Volvo C70 electrical problem? Check these fuses first. Relay and fuse box in a car cabin. The box is located under the glove compartment of the dashboard. There are also spare fuses.